So guys, this is my this is my BOTCHE. This is my BOTCHE. Looking yummy. Wow, nice one. Really good. Tastes good. Hello guys, good afternoon. Gagawa tayo ng Gagawa tayo ng BOTCHE. Ayan. So ito na. Ito na yung ating ingredients, guys. Meron tayong sweet potatoes. At mabalatan na rin natin. At meron tayong sesame seeds. Meron din tayong asukal. At kukuha tayo ng glutinous flour mamaya. So, handa ko lang ito, guys. So, ang paghahanda ay ganito. Okay. So, ito yung kamote. Ayan. Pagkatapos, i-steam natin siya, guys. Ayan. Ito, slice na lang natin siya ng manipis para madaling maluto. We're going to slice in a thin portion because that's easy to cook. Okay. We put in the steamer. Okay. Just for that one. I just did this just for the snacks. So we don't have the snacks. So it's easy. Just do it like this so that more faster. There you go. We put in the steamer, guys. Yan. This is the steamer. We cook in that is steamer. Go here. There you go. So it's cooked like that, and then we will check later. Okay, guys. This is our sweet potatoes. Now, just steam and soak already because I don't have the one using for mince the sweet potato. So I'm just using this one. Like that. We need to mash properly before we mix the flour. Okay. This one. Okay. It's still hot, guys, so you need to mash properly. Mash properly before we put the 2 cups of flour. No, not a flour, glutinous flour. Okay. So, I was trying to mix with the 2 cups of flour, guys. Actually, I don't have any measures. Once that I do actual demo for my cooking, I just mentioning if how much the ingredients that I've been putting together, and then it's up to you if you heard properly. So you must listen properly so that you can follow the steps for my cooking. Okay, guys, so that's it. We gonna put the flour. I'm going to try to put the baking powder. Let me try. I got baking powder in here, so just use for 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Mix with my glutinous flour. Okay. So this is the measurement of my baking soda. I put together with my this is 2 cups of glutinous flour, guys. Glutinous flour. Then pour together like that. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of water. Let's see, 1 cup of water. And then mix with the brown sugar into the water together. Mix together. Pour just a little water first. And then try to let it be like that. Wow. The sweet potato is still hot though. Wow, this is too much. Okay. I guess this is okay already. I didn't use the okay. Put like that much first. And then we will try to pour our hands like this. Okay. I just put oil to my hands, guys, so that it's not stick when I'm going to make the balls. Now we will try to make like this and then roll into here like this, guys. Wow, good to go. There you go. See, guys, the balls is like that. Okay, we need to take a tray for to put. There you go. So this is the first balls. Okay. Then next we just do it like this. And then roll into the sesame seeds. Like that. That one is a bigger. Bigger one. There you go, guys. 3 more to go, so make it smaller. And then later on we will bring into fry. Bring into fry. going to get the BOTCHE. And let us see how it works at the Elvie's BOTCHE. There. There you go. Just roll it like that. Roll it like that. Next, so 2, 4, 6A. That we just make 10, guys, so that we will start to fry. Okay, so make balls like this. There you go. And then some more. Like that. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, guys, just pause for a moment, and then I will bring you to fry. Just using my little casserole. Good for the snacks. This is my BOTCHE. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching. We will make more. We still got few to do it. Okay. And wait for me for a few minutes. Actually, you see already the first batch, guys. The first batch of my BOTCHE. Here we're gonna put more into the pan because it's cooking, running the oil. There you go. My God. So we got so I need to get more sesame. Okay, guys. So, this is my third batch. That one is nice. It's nice. Still got third batch, guys. That one. See? Yay! Still cooking. Okay, so that's all our vlog for right now. So, thank you for watching. We still need to, I still need to continue to make this. Still got a bit. There you go. Still got a bit left. So, I need to finish. And then, that's all for now, guys. I will show you up all in all later on. Okay? Bye!